how PNI International guide the candidates for them to be prepared.
Well, in general kasi, candidates usually inquire first before they apply. So, either they come to the office or they call. Recruiters of PNI, they usually guide these candidates by saying or giving them information about the job openings. And also parang saying na, okay, these are what you will be expecting while applying. At the same time, if let's say mag-apply na sila, what are the procedures or step-by-step procedures that they will have to go through their application. Like for example, they need to submit first the CVs, and then we have this format that they need to use, and also let's say they will need to submit requirements like NBI, school credentials, passports, so etc. So all of the requirements will be the candidates will be informed about it. So as long as they started inquiring or applying to PNI, all the information will be given by the recruiters. So ang sinasabi rin namin is that they also need to be prepared physically and mentally. Kasi we all know that they will be working abroad and they will be working away from their families. So kailangan talaga prepared sila. So they need to be fit to work. Yes. And pag sinasabi naman nating mentally prepared, ito yung, of course, if you will be working overseas, alam naman natin kasama na dyan yung pagkakaroon ng homesick. Pag nag-apply ka abroad, kailangan talaga kasi prepared ka for that. You know your reasons why you will be working abroad. Kasi you want to help your family financially, you want to have a better future, di ba? So, kailangan talaga mentally prepared ka. For daming ways for them to communicate with their family. Kaya, if they are prepared mentally na mag-work sila away from their families, marami na means of communicating with their families, malilesen na yung pagkakaroon nila ng homesickness. So, hindi lang dapat sila ang prepared, also their families, ha? Kasi, some of the candidates, sila lang ang nagde-decide na, okay, I will apply for work abroad, pero hindi pala aware yung families nila. So, minsan that causes the hindrance for them not to continue with their application. So, dapat kasama rin sa plans nila, inform din nila yung families nila that they have plans of working overseas. Hindi yung in the end, alam mo yun, sila okay na, and then in the end sasabihin ng family, wag na silang tumuloy. So, dapat, yun lang. So, proper mindset, kumbaga.